Hello, Noobs. So, we have started a new podcast for auditory listeners and it will be available on every major platforms. Please kindly hit the follow button and subscribe our YouTube channel for the daily updates. Accurate early pregnancy signs and symptoms. Signs and symptoms of early pregnancy can occur before the missed period and be confused with those of premenstrual syndrome or the approaching menstrual period. It is not possible to determine if you are pregnant in the absence of having a menstrual period until a pregnancy test is positive. Not all the women will experience the same symptoms in early pregnancy or experience these symptoms to the same degree. The time when very early pregnancy symptoms and signs starts is also different for every woman. Feelings of breast swelling, tenderness, or pain are also commonly associated with early pregnancy. What are the other early signs and symptoms of pregnancy? Let us see one by one. Morning sickness or nausea and vomiting. Nausea and vomiting or morning sickness also are common in early pregnancy. Traditionally referred to as morning sickness, the nausea and vomiting associated with early pregnancy can occur at any time of the day or night. Its typical onset is anywhere between the second and eighth weeks of pregnancy. Most women who have morning sickness develop nausea and vomiting about 1 month after conception, but it may develop sooner in some women. Sometimes, women report an increased sensitivity to certain odors or smell that can sometimes cause nausea or vomiting. Breast swelling, tenderness, and pain. Feelings of breast swelling, tenderness, or pain are also commonly associated with early pregnancy. These symptoms are sometimes similar to the sensations in the breast in the days before an expected menstrual period. Women may also describe a feeling of heaviness or fullness in the breast. These symptoms can begin in some women as early as 1 to 2 weeks after conception. Abdominal bloating. Some women may experience feelings of abdominal enlargement or bloating, but there is usually only a small amount of weight gain in the first trimester of pregnancy. In this early stage of pregnancy, a weight gain of about 1 pound per month is typical. Sometimes women also experience mild abdominal cramps during the early weeks of pregnancy, which may be similar to the cramps that occur prior to or during the menstrual period. Mood swings and stress. Mood swings and stress are common symptoms reported by many women in the early stages of pregnancy. Many women in the early stages of pregnancy describe feelings of heightened emotions or even crying spell. The rapid changes in the hormone levels are believed to cause these changes in the mood. Pregnant women may also notice more rapid and drastic changes in their moods. As with other non-specific symptoms, mood swings can be caused by a number of conditions other than pregnancy. Headaches. Some women report suffering from headaches early on their pregnancy, which may be related to corresponding changes in the hormone levels. These headaches are non-specific, usually not involving just one side of the head, and are not accompanied by changes in vision. Fatigue and tiredness. Fatigue and tiredness are symptoms experienced by many women in the early stages of pregnancy, and some women report feeling fatigued even in the weeks immediately prior to conception. The cause of this fatigue has not been fully determined, but it is believed to be related to rising levels of hormone progesterone. Of course, fatigue is a very non-specific symptom that can be related to many causes other than pregnancy. Changes in nipple color. Women may notice a deepening of the color of the area surrounding the nipple called the areola, or a dark line going down from the middle of the central abdomen area to the pubic area, which is known as linea nigra. Some degree of darkening of the areola persists after pregnancy in many women, but the linea nigra typically disappears in the months following delivery of the baby. Food cravings. Related to morning sickness, a pregnant woman may find that her dietary preferences have changed. It may be that certain foods or smells aggravate the nausea and vomiting of early pregnancy, or she may experience true food cravings. Food cravings can begin at the first trimester and last throughout the pregnancy. Frequent urination. A woman in the early stages of pregnancy may feel she has to urinate frequently, especially at night time, and she may leak urine with a cough, sneeze, or a laugh. The increased desire to urinate may have both physical and hormonal causes. Once the embryo has implanted in the uterus, it begins to produce the hormone known as human chorionic gonadotropin, which is believed to stimulate frequent urination. Another cause of frequent urination that develops later in the pressure exerted by the growing uterus on the bladder, but does not cause frequent urination until the second and third trimesters when the fetus is substantially larger. Melasma or darkening of the skin. Some women may develop a mask of pregnancy in the first trimester, referring to a darkening of the skin on the forehead, bridge of the nose, upper lip or cheeks. The darkened skin is typically present on both sides of the face. Doctors refer this condition as melasma or chloasma, and it is more common in darker skinned women than those with lighter skin. Melasma can also occur in some conditions other than pregnancy. Women who have a family history of melasma are at greater risk of developing this sign of pregnancy. Let us leave your comment if you felt any one of the above. Thank you all. Have a nice day.